Good morning students. In this session I will solve some exercise problems from the chapter number theory. See the first question. Find the number of divisors of the following numbers. Under that the first question is 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 2. Okay. Canonical representation of a composite number is given, right? So write the formula. Number of divisors Tn is equal to, what's the formula for Tn? 1 plus alpha 1 into 1 plus alpha 2 into 1 plus alpha 3. Okay, observe here alpha 1 value is equal to 4, alpha 2 value is equal to 3 and alpha 3 value is equal to again 2. Alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 represents the power of the given prime numbers. Here see 3 to the power alpha 1, p1 to the power alpha 1 into p2 to the power alpha 2 into p3 to the power alpha 3 is given. Comparing with that we will get alpha 1 is equal to 4, alpha 2 is equal to 3 and alpha 3 is equal to 2. Okay, now substitute Tn is equal to 1 plus alpha 1 value is 4 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 2. Simplify this one, 5 into 4 into 3. 5 4s are 20, 23s are, it's equal to 60. Okay, so number of divisors is equal to 60. See the next question. Again you need to find the number of positive divisors of 1644. First write the canonical representation of 1644. Here take 1644. Start with the least prime number, that is 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are, here also 2 2s are. Then 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Next 2 is not possible because 2 2s are 4, but we can't divide 11 by 2. So take the next number 3, 3 1s are 3, 11 is remaining, 3 3s are 9, again 2 is remaining, so 21, 3 7s are 21. Okay, here see 137 is there, clearly 137 is a prime number. Okay, you can write 1644 as 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1 into 137. Okay, then write number of positive divisors Tn is equal to 1 plus alpha 1 into 1 plus alpha 2 into 1 plus alpha 3. What's the value of alpha 1? Alpha 1 is equal to here 2. Alpha 2 is equal to here power 1 and alpha 3 here power 1. Substitute Tn is equal to 1 plus alpha 1, that is 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. So Tn is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3 into 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are, it's equal to 12. Okay, next composite number is 768. First write the prime factorization of 768. Here divide 768, starting with 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are, again 2 1s are, here 1 is remaining, so 18, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, then 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are, then again see 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, then 2 12s are 24, then 2 6 are 12. Next again take 2 3s are 6, then 3 1s are 3, no need to write it again. So write the prime factorization of 768. How many times 2 is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times 2 is there. So here you can write it as 2 to the power 8 into only 1 time 3, right? So 3 to the power 1. In the next step, see, alpha 1 value is equal to 8, right? Power is equal to 8. Alpha 2, second prime number 3, their power is equal to 1. Then write the formula Tn. What's the meaning of Tn here? Number of positive divisors of the given composite number, right? Tn is equal to, formula is 1 plus alpha 1 into 1 plus alpha 2. It's equal to 1 plus 8 into 1 plus 1. Multiply 9 into 2. It's equal to 18. Therefore, number of positive divisors of 768 is equal to 18. See the next question. Find the sum of all positive divisors of the following. Okay. Here see, Sn you need to calculate, right? Not Tn. Number of positive divisors means you need to calculate Tn. Here sum of all positive divisors is asked, right? So you need to calculate Sn. First write the canonical representation of 672. Here take 672. Then see, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Again 1 is remaining, 12. So 2 6 are 12. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Then start with 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 is remaining. So 2 6. Okay. Then again see, 2 2s are 4. 1 is remaining. 16. 2 8s are. Then see, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. Next is 2 7s are 14. Then write 672 is equal to how many times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, right? So here you can write 2 to the power 5 into only 1 time 3. So 3 to the power 1 into only 1 time 7. So 7 to the power 1. Here you can see. Okay. Next, here write P1 is equal to 2. P2 is equal to 3. P3 is equal to 7. That is a prime numbers, right? 1, 2, 3. Then alpha 1, that is power of P1, that is 5. Alpha 2, that is power of 3. You can see here 1. And alpha 3 means power of the number 7 is equal to 1. Question is Sn. Write the formula. Sn is equal to P1 to the power alpha 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P1 minus 1 into P2 to the power alpha 2 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P2 minus 1 into P3 to the power alpha 3 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P3 minus 1. In the next step, substitute the values. Sn is equal to P1 to the power alpha plus 1, that is 2 to the power 5 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into P2. P2 is equal to 3 is there. So 3 to the power alpha 2 is 1. So 3 to the power 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 into, next is P3, that is 7 to the power alpha 3 plus 1. You will get 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 7 minus 1. In the next step, simplify this one. Sn is equal to 2 to the power 6 minus 1 by 1 into 3 to the power 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1, that is 2, into 7 to the power 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 1 divided by 7 minus 1 is 6. In the next step, see, Sn is equal to 2 to the power 6, that is 64 minus 1 into 3 square, that is 9 minus 1 by 2 into 7 square, that is 49 minus 1 divided by 6. This implies Sn value is equal to 63 into 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 4 into 49 minus 1, 48 divided by 6, that is equal to 8. Now multiply, you will get 2016. This is nothing but sum of all positive divisors of the given composite number. Second question is 768. Again you need to calculate sum of all positive divisors. Consider 768. First write the canonical representation. Here 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 2 4s are, then 2 1s are 1 is remaining, so 18, 2 9s are 2 2s are, then again see 2 9s are 18, 1 is remaining, so 12, 2 6 are 12, then see 2 4s are 8, 1 is remaining, 16, 2 8s are, then again see 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, then 2 1s are 2 2s are, next see 2 6 are 12, then 2 3s are. Okay, so you can write 768 is equal to how many times 2 is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here you need to write 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power only 1. So here P1 value is equal to 2, P2 value is equal to 3, and what's the value of alpha 1? Alpha 1 is equal to 8. Alpha 2 is equal to power of the second prime number, that is 1. Okay, so write the formula. Sn is equal to P1 to the power alpha 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P1 minus 1 into P to the power alpha 2 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P2 minus 1. In the next step, substitute the values. So here Sn is equal to P1, that is 2 to the power alpha 1 plus 1. You will get 8 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 into P2, that is 3 to the power alpha 2. Alpha 2 is nothing but 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. This implies Sn is equal to the power 9 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 into 3 to the power 2 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. It's equal to 2 to the power 9, that is equal to 512 minus 1 divided by 1 into 3 square, that is 9 minus 1 divided by 2. So here you will get 511 into 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 divided by 2, it's equal to 4. Now multiply this one, you will get 2044. This is nothing but Sn, that means sum of all positive divisors of the given composite number. See the next question, 39,744. You need to find the sum of all positive divisors of the given number. First write the canonical representation. Here I will take 39,744. Okay, find the least positive prime number first. 2 1s are 2, 19. So 2 9s are 18, 1 is remaining. Then 2 8s are 16, 1 is remaining. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Clear? See, 2 1s are 2, 1 is remaining here. So take that one here, that will become 19. 2 9s are 18. Again 1 is remaining, take that one here, so 17 is there. 2 8s are 16, again 1 is remaining, so take 1 here, so you will get 14. 2 7s are 14, then 4 is remaining here, 2 2s are 4. Next, see here 2 9s are 18, 1 is remaining, 18, again 2 9s are 18. Then 7 is there, 2 3s are 6, 1 is remaining, so 12, 2 6 are 12. Then see, again dividing by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, right? So here 2. Then divide it by 3 again, 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. It's not possible to divide 1 by 3, right? So put 0, then 12 you will get, 3 4s are 12. Clear? Then see, dividing by 2, 2 5s are 10, okay, 1 is remaining, 10, so 2 5s are, then 2 2s are, so you will get 1104. Then again dividing by 2, 2 2s are 4, 15 is there, so 2 7s are 14, then 1 is remaining, 2 6 are 12. Then again dividing by 2, 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, right? 1 is remaining, so 16. 2 8s are. Then divided by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. See, 23 is there, right? Okay, there is no number which divides 23. Of course, 1 is there and 23 is there, but 23 is a prime number, right? So you need to stop here. Okay, then write it's equal to how many times 2 is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 times is there, right? Right, 2 to the power 6 into count 3, 1 2, here 3 times 3 is there, so right, 3 to the power 3 into last number 23 is there, right? 23 to the power 1. Then write P1 is equal to 2, P2 is equal to 3 and P3 is equal to 23. What is alpha 1? Alpha 1 here you can see, right? Alpha 1 is equal to 6. What is alpha 2? Alpha 2 is equal to, here see, 3. And what is alpha 3? Alpha 3 is equal to here 1. Okay, then write Sn formula. Sn is equal to P1 to the power alpha 1 plus 1 minus 1 by P1 minus 1 into P2 to the power alpha 2 plus 1 minus 1 by P2 minus 1 into P3 to the power alpha 3 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P3 minus 1. Now substitute the values. So Sn is equal to P1, that is 2, to the power alpha 1 is 6 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into what is P2 here? P2 is equal to 3. Substitute here. 3 to the power alpha 2 is again 3 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 into P3. P3 is equal to 23. So 23 to the power alpha 3 plus 1, you will get 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 23 minus 1. Now simplify this sum. N is equal to 2 to the power 7 minus 1 by 1 into 3 to the power 3 plus 1 is 4, right? 4 minus 1 by 2 into 23 to the power 1 plus 1, you will get 23 to the power 2 minus 1 by 23 minus 1. So here you have to write 22. Now compute all the values. 2 to the power 7, that is 128 minus 1 by 1 into 3 to the power 4 is there, that is 81 minus 1 by 2 into 23 square. 23 square that is equal to 529 minus 1 by 22. Implies Sn value is equal to 127 into 81 minus 1 is 80. 80 by 2 is equal to 40 into 529 minus 1. 528 divided by 22, here you will get 24. Now multiply this sum. Sn, sum of all positive divisors of the given composite number is 1,21,920. Okay. See the next number, 6,492. Write the canonical representation, 6492. We'll start with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 is remaining, so it is 12, 2 6 are 12. Again take 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 is remaining, right? So 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are. Then take 3, 3 5s are 15, so 1 is remaining, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now see, 541 is a prime number, right? So it's not possible to divide this number by any other prime number. So 6,492 is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1 into 541. Again see, P1 is equal to 2, P2 is equal to 3 and P3 is equal to 541. What's the value of alpha 1? Alpha 1 is equal to 2, alpha 2 is equal to 1, alpha 3 also is equal to 1, because you can write 541 as 541 to the power 1. In the next step, write Sn formula. Sn is equal to P1 to the power alpha 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P1 minus 1 into P2 to the power alpha 2 plus 1 minus 1 by P2 minus 1 into P3 to the power alpha 3 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P3 minus 1. This implies Sn is equal to, substitute all the values. So you will get 2 to the power 2 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 into P2, its a value is 3, right? 3 to the power 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 into P3, what's the value of P3 here? 541. 541 to the power alpha 3, that is 1, right? 1 plus 1 minus 1 by the formula divided by 541 minus 1. Now again compute the values. 2 to the power how much? 2 plus 1 is 3, right? 2 to the power 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1 into 3 to the power 1 plus 1 is 2, right? Minus 1 by 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2 into 541 to the power 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 divided by 541 minus 1 is it's equal to 540. Now again simplify this one. 2 to the power 3, that is 8 minus 1 into 3 square, that's equal to 9, right? 9 minus 1, that is equal to 9 minus 1, that is equal to 8 divided by 2. 541 to the power 1 plus 1, that is 541 square. Here you will get 2,92,681 minus 1 by the formula divided by 541 minus 1, it's equal to 540. Again simplify. This implies Sn is equal to 8 minus 1 is 7 into 8 by 2 is equal to 4 into, here you will get 2,92,680 divided by 540. This implies Sn is equal to 7 4s are 28 into 2,92,680 divided by 540. Do the calculation. Here you will get 15,176. Therefore, sum of all positive divisors of the given number is equal to 15,176. These are all some important questions related to Sn and Tn. Thank you.